Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix sound or audio not working on your Lenovo laptop. Let's get started. Inside the search bar, search for sound settings. Inside sound settings, all you have to do is simply tap on this arrow beside speaker and make sure the correct audio device is selected. Now scroll down to advanced settings and make sure this button is turned off. If your audio does not show up, you can scroll down, then tap on more sound settings and then find your audio device, and if it's disabled, right click onto it and then enable it. Once enabled, simply tap on properties, then go to advanced tab and simply click on restore defaults. Hit apply, then tap on OK. Now on the search menu, simply search for services and then inside here simply find Windows Audio Service. Click onto it, then tap on start. If the option is grayed out, simply tap on restart instead. Do the same for Windows Audio Endpoint and restart the device if the issue is fixed. If nothing works, you can go ahead and simply right click on the start button, tap on device manager, then simply tap on audio input and output, and just like that right click on the speaker, then tap on uninstall device. Now go to sound, video and game controller, and just like that right click on your AMD, then simply select uninstall device. Now check the box and then simply click uninstall. Do the same for your audio device and uninstall it. After installing, restart your laptop and then Windows will reinstall the necessary drivers. After following these steps, your audio should start working again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.